Here's how to install our OCAM Manual Tonneau cover for the JAC T9. Lay out all the hardware and familiarise yourself with the kit. Pre-assemble the silver brackets like this using the included hardware and rubber stopper. Attach the wings by sliding the black tab on the canister into the bottom rail. Make sure to pull the cover out slightly and slide it into the track on the wing. Secure using the 3 black dome head bolts using the included Allen key. Repeat this process on the other side. Then attach the included rubber plugs. Secure the canister lid using the included Phillips screws, screw seats and cap covers. If your vehicle comes with a factory sports bar, it will need to be removed and refitted later if you have purchased the optional adapter brackets. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry off the bolt covers on the sports bar. Use a 13mm socket to remove all the bolts along the sides. Use a 13mm socket to remove the 2 bolts along the headboard. Then lift the sports bar off the vehicle. This installation has 2 options. You can either retain the factory ladder bars near the headboard and cut slots into the rubber seal of the canister so it slides over these L brackets, or you can remove the ladder bars from the sports bar as well as cutting off the L brackets from the tub. In our case, we're going with removing the L brackets and ladder bars for a cleaner look. Use a moving blanket or cardboard to protect the rear of the cab from any damage. Use an air saw and grinder to cut off the L brackets. Mask off the grinded area and use some rust protection spray paint to coat the exposed metal. Then use the included tube of silicone sealant and apply it to the corners in order to prevent water ingress. Apply the adhesive foam tape to the rear edge of the tub and trim off any excess. Install the alloy L bracket using the included Tech screws and apply adhesive foam tape on top. Lift the canister onto the vehicle and align the edges of the wings so it sits flush with the tailgate when it's closed. Install the silver brackets 3 per side near the ribs along the tub. Add T-nuts to both sides by sliding them into the tracks and secure to the brackets using the included bolts with a 10mm socket. Fully close the tonneau and tailgate and secure the bracket bolts from the inside. Tighten the black T-nuts first before tightening the bracket bolts. Use the bottom bolt for height adjustment if needed. Use a Phillips bit to remove both rear tail lights. Route the rear drainage hose through an opening in the top corner and secure the hose in the tail light area using a zip tie. Reinstall the tail light and repeat for the other side. Use a hole saw or step bit to drill out the front 2 drainage points and secure to the canister using the included hose clamps. Secure the hose clamps using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then attach the bracket covers. Give the roller cover a quick test to make sure everything is aligned and functions properly. This is the hardware layout for the optional adapter bracket kit. Note that these adapter brackets will be replacing the factory brackets that come with the sports bar. Use a 5mm hex bit to remove all the bracket bolts. Use a 10mm socket to remove all the ladder bar bolts and reinstall for a cleaner look. Reuse the factory bolts to install the adapter brackets. Leave them loose for adjustment on the vehicle. Slide the T-nuts into the rails from the front of the tonneau and line them up roughly where the sports bar will sit. Grab a mate to help you lift the sports bar onto the vehicle and secure using the included bolts. And there you have it, your OCAM Manual Tonneau cover is installed.